I'm in a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then from here we'll look for this reservoir on the passenger side, and to make sure your vehicle's off and cooled off before you do anything with this system, since it works under pressure, as you can see in the radiator cap here. You don't want this hot, poisonous, boiling liquid to shoot out on you. But that said, this would be the main reservoir you ever add to. If it's super low, you can add it straight to the radiator here too, but typically we're just working with this. So make sure you only fill to that full line right in the middle, and then the low line's right below it. There's supposed to be some air gap, so it isn't supposed to be all the way full. Then with your coolant, make sure you've got the same color that matches what's in here now, and ideally the same brand you've been using. It's best not to mix and match if you can help it. But just pop this top off, and then with the funnel or straight from your coolant jug, just fill as needed till it's full, to the full line that is, and then pop it closed so nothing else falls in. And then I would check around for any leaks to the reservoir through the lines. Sometimes the radiators can get cracks. Best as you can check around. You can turn the car on, and then as it's running, since the system's under pressure, that it'll probably start to form little leaks around the engine bay or under the car if there's some leak. And from that you can tell if it's coolant based on the color. It should be slightly colored. It does a slight sweetness smell, and you don't really want it on your skin, but if you feel it with like a glove on, it'll feel slightly more slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.